Welcome to BiRD News Halloween Special. I'm Gail Stormwing, and there should be a Ramf.
I'm Ramford Beekman, dressed up as Gail Stormwing.
Oh no, you're not wearing that on the air.
But I nailed it. The understated colors, the unimpressed stare, the weight of all the life choices that led you here. Okay, fine, I'll go change.
Every year it's something.
It's our first year, Gail.
Feels like forever.
Behold, the Phoenix.
Pretty ambitious for a Ramf, but I'll allow it. Okay, Ramford, since this is our Halloween special, I'm sending you somewhere truly terrifying.
The Alderaan headquarters?
Even scarier, Ripple Beach. Following reports of a mysterious object, possibly
That's not scary at all. I'm on my way.
Possibly not of this world.
Can't hear you, not scared. Ramford Beekman reporting from Ripple Beach, where a strange but not scary object had just appeared for seemingly no reason. This could be a mod, an update, or a plot device. Definitely a plot device.
It appears we're having Ramf-related technical difficulties again. Cold, meet me in Ripple.
Are we still on Gondwa?
Not sure. It's almost like we server hopped into an alternate universe.
It's Ramford.
You're just in time to see me get sacrificed.
No, let him go.
Wait, let's see how this plays out.
Silence. The Ramf has trespassed into our sacred dimension and must be sacrificed.
No, there must be another way. He's only a Ramf.
Barely a Ramf.
There is only one other way. The intruder must defeat our champion in the ring.
I'm not sure which is worse.
I will fight in his place.
Fine. Win, and you all may go. Lose, and you all will be sacrificed. The fight starts at dawn. Our champion is ready. It's time to test your fate, hats. We can't let the hats win. Release the lizard.
I don't think so. Easy, lizard.
I will honor my word. You may have your freedom and the right to become the next champion.
We just came for the ramp.
For the love of Gondwa, take him. The screeching is unbearable. The fire gods would have cursed us all if we actually sacrificed him.
Gale, did you by any chance grab that Meg's trophy?
No, but I can get a ramp one if we stop by the lava pit.
Asking for a friend, that's all.
This is Mateo Ericrest with this week's server spotlight, introducing Prehistoric Planet Realism. A realism server based on the TV series Prehistoric Planet. As a TV personality myself, I definitely approve. A server with profiles based on the series, relaxed grouping rules, and a large selection of both land and aquatic dinos. That gets a 10 out of 10 for me. 11 if I find a Fiesta on there. Prehistoric Planet Realism.